Hi folks, Randy Lewis here with IRS Tax Help Houston. I'm a tax practitioner licensed by the IRS who specializes in helping clients who owe the IRS a lot of money or haven't filed some tax returns. I'm an enrolled agent licensed by the IRS to represent taxpayers in all 50 states regarding any matter of federal or state taxation. I'm also a former IRS revenue officer. As an IRS revenue officer, it was my job to enforce the collection of delinquent taxes and to secure delinquent returns from taxpayers who hadn't filed their income tax returns on time or employment tax returns. I seized property for the government, auctioned it off to pay the tax bills, garnished wages and bank accounts, and also granted taxpayers payment plans. So when it comes to all of this dealing with the IRS about your delinquent tax returns, I am an expert. Today, I'd like to speak with you about the question, what is an IRS levy? If you owe the IRS money, you need to know what a levy is and how you can avoid the IRS using it against you. A levy is a legal seizure of your property to satisfy a tax debt. The IRS can seize almost everything you own, including your home to satisfy your delinquent tax liability, retirement accounts, bank accounts, other pieces of real estate you own, any other kind of income that you have, anything that you have access to, the IRS has access to if you owe delinquent taxes. And it is all subject to seizure and liquidation by the IRS and the proceeds applied to your delinquent tax account. After they seize property, they'll auction it off to the highest bidder. And like I said, they'll apply the auction proceeds to your delinquent taxes. The most common types of levies are garnishment of your wages or cleaning out the money in your bank account. The IRS can also seize retirement accounts, as I said, stocks and bonds. And yes, they can take your home even if you have it homestead protected in your state. That has nothing to do with the IRS's legal authority to seize that home and sell it in order to satisfy your delinquent federal taxes. If you owe the IRS money, you'll get 4 letters asking you to pay it. The last one has written in big letters at the top, Notice of Intent to Levy. That means if you don't pay your taxes now, within 10 days, the letter actually gives you 10 days, then you're subject to some type of levy or garnishment at any time and without any further notice from the IRS. One day you can go to your payroll department and just not have a check. Or you can go to your bank to withdraw money and there's no money in there. And the bank said, well, the IRS took it. The best thing you can do if you're in this situation is to contact the IRS before they contact you, beyond that final notice. Or when they give you that final notice, contact them and tell them, your situation is such you can't pay right now, or you want payments, or whatever the situation is. Contact them first. They will make a note of it in your file, and you're going to be less likely to be subject to any surprises at that point. Now, I have to warn you, when it comes to working out any arrangements with them, they have a lot of rules and procedures that regulate the repayment of back taxes. And the IRS is not going to tell you what's in your best interest. It's not their job. It's their job to do what's in the government's best interest, not yours. And then what's in the government's best interest is to collect that money as fast as they probably can, as fast as they can, with high monthly payments or you liquidating some of your assets or whatever the deal is. That's their job. If you owe the IRS some back taxes or there are some returns that you haven't filed, trust me, you do have a serious IRS problem. There's no such thing as a small IRS problem, believe me. If you need some help to resolve the situation, call me, Randy Lewis. Website address is irstaxhelphouston.com. My phone number is 832-507-6124. I can help you with your IRS tax problem. Give me a call today. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.